Hey guys, I'm just trying to show you a very cute thing today from FFQ store that I received is a banana hat. So this cover for a banana or the banana's preserver. This comes in a small plastic box and a small thingy with a cute design on the top. I just have this octopus design here. So you can see like when I open and there's a silicone and the rubber thing here. So this is a hat for the banana stuff and then it is attached to this small crochet octopus design. So you can see this looks really a cute thing. It's almost like 2.8 inch or 2 inches. And then on the banana top, you can just put this. So you have to cover this, the top cap properly on the whole bunch of the banana so that it can inhibit any absorption of gas and stuff so that it will not decompose easily. And then it will protect your bananas for a long time. And this also looks cute like while on putting on it, so you have to be very careful like what putting in, but it's almost a good cute stuff and very helpful for the banana preserver.